What shall we say about these so-called thoughts? At this moment, while I am teaching Dharma, let us consider the mental experience, or thought, which you have of listening carefully to me. Does this have a form or color? Is it to be found in the upper or lower part of the body, in the eyes or the ears? What we call the mind is not really there at all. If it is truly something, it must have characteristics, such as color. It must be white, yellow, etc. Or it must have shape like a pillar or a vase. It must be big or small, old or young, and so on. You can find out whether the mind exists or not by just turning inwards and reflecting carefully. You will see that the mind does not begin or end or stay anywhere. That it has no color or form and is to be found neither inside nor outside the body. And when you see that it does not exist as anything, you should stay in that experience without an attempt to label or define it. When you have truly attained the realization of this emptiness, you will be like the Venerable Milarepa, or Guru Rinpoche, who were unaffected by the heat of summer or the cold of winter, and who could not be burned by fire or drowned in water. In emptiness there is neither pain nor suffering. We, on the other hand, have not understood the empty nature of the mind, and so when bitten by even a small insect, we think, ouch, I've been bitten, it hurts. Or when someone says something unkind, we get angry. That is the sign that we have not realized the mind's empty nature. All the same, even granted that we are convinced that our body and mind are by nature empty, when this very conviction, which is normally called the antidote, arises in our minds, it is said, nevertheless, that the antidote will vanish of itself.